Hola. Now we're going to talk about the future. El futuro. This is a very fun tense because it's quite simple. This is where we would use the word will in English. I will speak, you will eat, he will go, they will play. All we do in English is add the word will in front of any verb, and it's in the future. Well, of course, what we have learned previously is we use the form going to with the verb to go. Like I'm going to study, your boy a estudiar. Or she is going to eat, ella va a comer. Or they are going to play, ellos van a jugar. But when we want to make something definite, will, this is how we do it in Spanish. We have a few examples here. AR verb, hablar, ER, comer, IR, vivir. For you to see how simple it is to conjugate in the future, all you have to do is, let's start with hablar, write the whole verb down. What we do is we add an ending to the verb. So in most conjugations, we take away the ending and we change it. Here we're leaving the complete verb by itself, and we're going to add a letter. So yo hablaré, I will speak. We add a with an accent. Tú hablarás. We're adding as. Yes, that's the only tricky part. Sometimes we're using the vowel a, sometimes we're using the vowel a. Tú hablarás, you will speak. Tú hablarás español, you will speak Spanish. Él hablará, he will speak. Now we switch vowels again with nosotros. Nosotros hablaremos, we will speak. Hablaremos muy bien, we will speak very well. Ellos hablarán, they will speak. Pretty easy. Let's look at comer, an ER verb. Yo comeré, I will eat. Tú comerás, you will eat. Tú comerás a las 2 de la tarde. You will eat at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, notice a, and here we're using a with those accents. Él comerá, he will eat. Nosotros comeremos, we will eat. Y ellos comerán, they will eat. Ellos comerán en el restaurante. They will eat at the restaurant. Do you see a difference here? Not really. We have a with an accent, s with an accent on the a. Here we have an a, hemos, an. Well, you can probably figure out what the IR verb is going to look like. I will live, yo viviré. Tú vivirás, tú vivirás en México. You will live in Mexico. Él vivirá, él vivirá en un apartamento. He will live in an apartment. Nosotros viviremos muchos años. We will live many years. Y ellos vivirán. They will live. Pretty simple. You must remember, though, to completely write the verb down before putting the ending. Otherwise, you could be mixing the tense. For example, yo hablaré, I will speak. If you didn't put the R in there, or the AR, it would look like yo hablé, which is the pretérito tense, meaning I spoke. Hablaré. Very simple. The endings are the same. You just have to learn those endings, and whether the verb is AR, ER, IR, you use the same ones, being careful of and used for yo and nosotros, a Con tú, él, ella y usted, y ellos, ellas y ustedes. Now, with the future tense of futuro, not every verb is treated the same way. We do have some irregular forms. El futuro, irregular. Why are these irregular? Because the root part or the stem of the verb gets a little spelling change. There are a few examples we will take a look at. One is tener, poner, to have, poner, to put or to place, and decir, the verb to say. Let's see how these verbs are conjugated in el futuro irregular. Now we see these verbs conjugated. The endings, though, are the same. The endings are exactly the same as all the futuro verb conjugations. What's changing is a little bit of the stem or the root of the verb, how we write it down. So tener, the verb to have, it changes to yo tendré, I will have. Tú tendrás, you will have. Él tendrá, he will have. Nosotros tendremos, y ellos tendrán, they will have. The verb poner, to put or to place. Yo pondré, tú pondrás, él pondrá, nosotros pondremos, ellos pondrán. The verb decir is a tricky one. There the A changes to E, but the endings are the same. Yo diré, I will say. Tú dirás, you will say. Él dirá, nosotros diremos, y ellos dirán.